Welcome to Nyaboke's kitchen. Wait, before you scroll, did you know you can turn these simple veggies into the crunchiest, most delicious salad in under 5 minutes? Let me show you this trick and stay around for this. So you start with fresh cabbage that has been cut thin slices and carrots that are grated. So make sure you have your carrots and your cabbage that is sliced. So chopped cabbage, there we are. So I've mixed the carrots that have been grated with the cabbage. Always remember, the thinner, the crunchier. So don't make big ones, just make them as sliced thin as possible. So you add white vinegar. This is for your stomach so that it's not contaminated. There you are. You can put 1 bottle cover or 2 so that you make sure your food is not contaminated. For this, I'll do 2 of them. You can also do lemon instead if you don't have vinegar. So that is an option. Then sprinkle a dash of sugar. So I'll do half a spoon or a spoon, depending on what you want, just to give it taste. If you want, if you don't want, then you have to. Another secret, for dressing I use eggless mayonnaise. This is because I realized if you use the ones with eggs, then you can smell the eggs through the salad. So add the eggless mayonnaise. Trust me, this is where people will ask you about your recipe. Guys, just make it as simple as this and serve your guests, and they'll ask you how amazing this recipe is. So mix in the eggless salad cream. So this will give you the crunchiest, best salad you ever eaten. Just simple and 5 minutes. So as an option, you can continue adding the mayonnaise or salad cream so that you can make it as creamy as you want. If you want it less creamy, it's up to you. So this is a tip. It's up to you to put to whatever level you want. So there we are, mixing in. So this 5-minute cabbage and carrot salad will change how you eat veggies. So there I continue mixing in. Then I love adding tomatoes. So I've chopped tomatoes in, small sizes. So there we are. So you pour in the tomatoes so that you have an amazing all-round salad. If you want, you can also add onions. But for today, we only do tomatoes so that you make it complete. And this raw salad, and you've already put in your vinegar, now is perfect for a feed for your stomach. So this is healthy and a quick meal and budget friendly. So you don't spend a lot on this. So here we are and we're ready. So this you can have with the rice, you can have with chips, French fries, you can have with any carbohydrates that go with it. So guys, we're ready. Don't forget to subscribe. I show you amazing recipes that are made at home. So we are almost ready and done. So you can put it in the microwave if you want for only a second so that you make the vegetables soft. But the other option is just to let it sit, let the vinegar, sink in, and your recipe is ready. There we are, guys. Quick veggies. You can put that also on bread and you toast. There are many ways you can eat this salad. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Follow my videos, and thank you so much for watching and for the love. Please leave a comment below on what you think about this recipe. Bye.